Welcome back to the Piston Hub, your home for everything powerful on wheels. Today, we're diving into the brute force and precision engineering of the brand new 2025 Scania R500 Argman CZ. A truck that's not just made for the road, it's made to dominate it. If you enjoyed this video, please do a small favor, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel, the Piston Hub. We're a brand new channel, and your support means the world to us. With every subscription, we get the motivation to bring you more exciting automotive content. So don't wait, smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, and join us on this thrilling journey through the world of cars. Thank you. Built on the proven Scania R series platform, the R500 continues to push boundaries in performance and reliability. And with the Argman CZ Special Edition styling, this beast is turning heads and hauling harder than ever. Under the hood, the R500 roars with a powerful 13-liter, 6-cylinder diesel engine, pumping out a solid 500 horsepower and over 2,500 Newton-meters of torque. That's raw pulling strength combined with Scania's legendary fuel efficiency. Step inside and you'll see, the future of truck driving comfort is already here. The 2025 model offers a driver-focused cockpit, with a fully digital dash, intelligent driving assist, and a panoramic view designed for safety and visibility. This truck isn't just about looks. The Argman CZ spec takes it further, with aerodynamic bodywork, custom LED lighting, upgraded suspension, and attention to detail that makes long-haul driving smoother and smarter. Whether you're crossing countries or handling heavy-duty logistics, the Scania R500 Argman CZ is built to deliver, mile after mile, day after day. In 2025, Scania proves once again why it's a titan in the trucking world. And with the Argman CZ edition, you get power, presence, and performance like never before. If you enjoyed this look at the 2025 Scania R500 Argman CZ, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a ride. This is the Piston Hub, where horsepower meets heart.